Hi everyone, today we are going to see the project is Construct Food Safety Traceability System for People Health under the Internet of Things and Big Data. In this project has two modules, one is the admin module, another one is the user module. Now we are going to implement in our project. Now the admin has logged in the account with the correct username and password. Admin has a default username and the password. Next step is we have to upload the data set. In the data set we have to upload two types of data set. One data is food related data set. For example, you are taken this type of food, the food name, based on that food taken count, how many percentage you have to affected. For example, you have taken the fried rice, the taken count is 55. Based on that we have to find the severity, how many percentage the user can affected based on the taken food. That is the one data set. Second data set is a disease related data set. For example, you have taken the particular food now. Based on that food, which disease is affected by the particular user. These two types of data set we have taken. Now I am uploading the data set. First I have uploaded the diseases data set. Successfully uploaded. Next we have to upload the user data set. Uploaded. After that uploading, the user admin can view the data set which should be uploaded. These are the, we have taken the data set. For example, the username, the user taken food, which type of food they taken and how many count the user have taken the food. Next we have to do the pre-processing technique. Pre-processing technique means we have to remove the unwanted things in our data set. For example, in the sentence there is a too many, is, there, is, there's. Based on that we have to remove. Why we have to use this pre-processing technique means we have to enhance the quality of data set. Now I click the pre-processing. After pre-processed data set, these are the pre-processed data set. Next we have to extract the features. In the feature extraction, we have to extract the particular information in the data set based on the percentage value. For example, if you have taken the food means, you have taken improperly canned food. Based on that, you have to affected this symptoms and this bacteria. The disease name is bacteria. For that, you have to, the prevention is you have to use, do not use home canned foods. And based on that user taken food, the severity is affected by 55%. Next 15%. Based on that we have to find the bacteria in the diseases name. Raw milk, headache, confusion, bacteria, use password, milk product. 76% the user have to affected. Based on that we have to analyze the features from the data set. XCPF IDF calculation. We have taken the food data set now. Based on that severity level, we have to find the calculation like TF IDF calculation. For example, you have taken the food type, the symptoms, affected by which disease, prevention, and you have affected 15%. Your TF count is this, IDF count is combined both TF IDF count is this one. These are the TF IDS calculation. These are our the TF IDF calculations. Next we have to classification. In the final classification, the admin can recommend the food. For example, I am the user, I have taken this food. Based on the food, which percentage level I am affected. If I am a high level or a low level, for that, what are the prevention you have to do for your reduce the CAT level? Classification has been performed. For example, here I am, the percentage, the username, user taken food, the affected percentage, there is a medium level. We have to recommend the particular food for this particular person. Okay, recommended successfully. Now the user can open the account and see the dashboard. Means user can see which all the food should be taken. Next, user can log in the account with the correct username and password. Welcome user. Now the user can view the dashboard. Yeah, here the admin recommended food. User ID, username, affected body. For example, you have been affected 147.54%. After that, your risk level is a medium. For that, which of the food you have to reduce? Avoid cross-contaminated cook, all meat, maintain good pest control. For that, we have to take food means you have to take almonds. Almonds is give more nutrition. For your risk level is a medium and you have to affected by this percentage level. You have to reduce this percentage level means you have to take this type of food. Okay. Next, for that admin can recommend the food for particular user. No. User also give the feedback for the admin recommendation. And also user can give the ratings. User give feedback successfully. Next, the admin can view the performance matrix under the user's reviews and ratings. The performance analysis, our overall accuracy is 0.8. Now the admin can see the user's feedback. For example, this user ID, username, risk level is medium. Thank you, it gives more knowledge which of food should be taken. The user give the rating is 5. Overall graphical representation. This is this project mainly we have to find which of the food should be taken. And also it gives more knowledge for the user. If you are taken this type of food means you should be affected this percentage. For that you have to what food you have taken means that should be reduced your percentage level. Thank you for watching this video.